Reggi AI has just been released, and today we're going to dive deep into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this groundbreaking software. Whether you're an entrepreneur, marketer, or just someone looking to boost productivity, Reggi promises to bring major advantages to your daily workflows. Stick with me till the end, because I'm going to show you exactly why it's being called the best just released AI software. First things first, Reggi AI is designed to streamline your digital marketing tasks and automate critical processes with a level of ease and efficiency we haven't seen before. Whether you're working with data, content, or automating repetitive tasks, Reggi's got the tools to save you time and help you get more done. And the best part? You can try it completely free by clicking the first link below, no strings attached. What really sets Reggi apart is its user-friendly interface. For something so powerful, it's surprisingly intuitive. You don't need a PhD in AI to use it. In fact, the learning curve is minimal, meaning you can jump in and start benefiting right away. This is key for anyone who's tried other AI tools and found them to be overwhelming or too technical. Next up, Reggi's real-time data processing feature. It stands out because it can instantly analyze large data sets, something that usually takes hours, and provide you with actionable insights. This can be a game changer if you're managing multiple campaigns or need to respond quickly to changes in the market. This speed gives you a competitive edge in decision-making and strategy. What's even more impressive is Reggi's content automation feature. It's designed to generate, optimize, and post content across platforms in just a few clicks. If you're in digital marketing or social media management, you'll appreciate how much time this can save. From blog posts to social media updates, Reggi helps you craft quality content faster. Another great feature is its AI-driven email marketing automation. Instead of guessing what your audience wants, Reggi helps you personalize your email campaigns based on deep analytics and user behavior. This leads to more engagement, higher open rates, and ultimately more conversions. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with most major email platforms, so you won't have to switch your entire system. Let's not forget Reggi's integration with popular CRMs and other marketing tools. For many digital marketers, one of the biggest challenges is dealing with multiple platforms. Reggi handles this by bringing everything together in one place. From social media to email and beyond, it ensures your tools work in harmony, which saves you hours of manual data entry. Now, one feature that really sets Reggi apart from many AI competitors is its predictive analytics. By analyzing trends and patterns, it can forecast future outcomes for your campaigns, sales, and marketing efforts. This means you can make informed decisions ahead of time rather than relying on hindsight. This level of insight is incredibly valuable in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Finally, let's talk about Reggi's scalability. Whether you're just starting out or you're managing a large enterprise, this software adapts to your needs. As your business grows, Reggi grows with you, offering more advanced features and integrations to keep up with your expanding operations. So, is Reggi AI the best just released AI software for your digital marketing needs? From ease of use and content automation to data-driven insights and scalability, it's a top contender. And if you want to give it a shot yourself, don't forget to grab your free trial from the link below. Trust me, after trying thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say Reggi is worth checking out. In the description, you'll find my recommended AI software options, all of which I've personally tested and stand behind. So take a look and get started today.